We're back, guys. So sorry. My battery on my camera died kind of out of nowhere. Didn't say it was low, but it's alright. So we're trying to fix this nose. See if we can a little bit. I'm squinting to kind of see these dark areas of the eyes as well. Reestablishing these dark shadows that I've kind of lost. And I'm trying to get them back a little bit. Another shadow there and a hint at the nostrils. I'm not trying to be too specific on these shadows, but I am trying to make sure you can see where they are. And I'm not trying to be too powerful with them either and being too dark. I'd rather the brightness and the quality of the light areas, I'd rather that be what brings the shadows out. Okay. Kind of like the feel. We could work with that. Lost some of it, but it's alright. Now we're going to use, I want to use like a cooler highlight. If I can find one, I'm not sure. Oh, there we go. Oh, this is very cool. This is like a blue. How does that look? Like a very light blue. It might be useful. Let's try it out. If not, I'll just blend it out and then try a different highlight. So these are the very brightest parts of the face only that I'm going to use. Kind of like right there. Yeah. A little bit of a catching it. Top of the eyelid, mostly on this side. Light there. Amazing. Right here, outside the nostril. Blend it out so it's not so strong. This whole area is pretty bright, so I'm just gonna blend some of that in there. Nothing too harsh. Let's see here. It's really catching some light here, so the face right there. Got some right here at the beginning and at the bottom of, or top of this highlight here, highlight area. Cool. I would prefer if this blended in to kind of transitioned a little more. There we go. And then down in there, it's pretty bright. But I don't want it to look that bright. There you go, that's better. And then just a little bit there. But I don't really want this color to stand alone unless it's the very highlight. But I think it's a nice look and a nice feel to have the shadows cool, the midtones slightly warmer, and I'm gonna come back with that warm midtone actually, and the highlights cool as well. Kind of gives it this going back and forth feel. Make sure I'm keeping those midtones warm wherever they belong. I'm supposed to hint at maybe an eye here. It's a little too bright, but it's okay. Might have to come back in with that pupil. I was trying to avoid it just because it's kind of cliche to have like a very detailed eye in drawing or in paintings. Instead, I think it's more valuable and nice to be able to kind of accomplish the feeling of an eye without even drawing the eye in. And the feeling of a gaze or a stare, or kind of being able to feel what that person's thinking just through seeing their eye without even having drawn the eye. Does that make sense? Kind of hinting at what that eye looks like. But it looks like we're going to have to drop in a little bit of the color. The darker colors for the pupils, at least. Maybe the irises too. We'll see. Just because we lost some of the shadows in there. There should be some deep shadows right there. I'm not going to blend that out too much, otherwise I'm going to get a little too gray and fuzzy. Alright, kind of like what this is at. I might touch it up some more, but I'm really satisfied with how it came out, being my first color drawing on black paper. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you guys would like to see next. I plan to do more colors and skin tone type practices and studies in the near future. If you guys like my work, check out madcharcoal.com/shop. You could buy my work there, buy my art kit, which is only charcoal, it's not color. And just check out what there is if you want prints or originals or whatever that is. And otherwise, just follow me on social medias, and this is on YouTube right here is where I actually post the in-depth tutorials. I'll touch this up some more. I don't want to bore you with the details, but that's the bulk of it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. You guys are the best, and I will talk to you guys later.